Hi, my name is Yu Zhao. Today I'm gonna introduce to you about Beijing National Stadiums, and the nickname is Bird Nest. This this began constructions in March 2004 and was completed in June 2008. It's located in the southern part of the Beijing Olympic Park and is the main stadium for the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games. The project covers an area of 250,000 square meters. The shape of the national stadium like the nest. So when we think about real bird nest, the picture in our minds is a baby birds. So the significance of the construction of the national stadium is to paint the hope of the mankind for the future. The national stadium used the triangle stable structure and the structure elements support each others and fall together into a great like weaving, integrating the building's front, stair, and roof into the hall. The national stadium used the ball buckle scaffolding to build the formwork. Q460 is the main materials of this building. Q460 is a high-strength steel. It will only undergo plastic deformation when the force reaches 460 MPa, and the thickness is 100 millimeters, which is stronger than the ordinary steel. Beijing National Stadium used a large number of the welders. The welder used the weld to steel bars of the bird nest. The interesting thing is that each welders signed their name on the weld for the bird nest. And I think the building for this building, we also need the engineer to plan the structure and to fix problems in time. If the Beijing National Stadium was built before 1700, I would reduce the areas because I don't think Beijing had that many people at that time. So I draw the picture by myself. This is the appearance of the National Stadium before 1700. I mentioned appearance of the bird nest because I think the bird nest is a place where new life was born. There were too many wars in 1700s, so I think it has a like good meaning. I use the stone for the bottom of the building because I think it can make the foundation more stable. I use the wood for the upper parts of the building, which can reduce the weight of the whole building. In order to be more stable, I choose to use triangle stable structures to support. For the transportation, like we don't have a car, we don't have a truck at that time. So I will use the horse or large number of the porters to move all the materials for the building. I think this project includes the participate of the masons and carpenters. The root of the mason is to find suitable stone and materials for the construction. Carpenters need to manufacture and repair wooden objects and the structures. This is all the resource I use for this presentation. And thank you for your listening.